One. Hi, you guys are being lucky and you're going to get a little case of the Silent Light book because it's a gray day, so perfect to do Silent Light. Okay, ready, Edgar? What's the name of the book? Can you tell them? Silent Light on the construction site. All right. A tall skyscraper is being built. If you look closely around the construction site, through the steel beams and the concrete, you will find machines and people hard at work. Shine a light behind the page or hold it up to the light to reveal what is hidden in and around the construction site. Discover a world of great surprises. People will live in this skyscraper when it's finished. Can you see the plans? Show me the plans. See the building? Ooh, I see the plans. Good job. You want to turn the page? Architects and engineers work together to design the building. The plans show what it would look like. Cool. Next page. People walk as the area is cleared. What is this truck taking away? What's in the dump truck, Tucker?
Rocks.
Rocks. Oh, let's show them. Show the camera. Good job. Rumble, rumble. This dump truck is full of rocks and rubble. The back lifts up and tips to dump the load.